Neil Bailey here with the Kawasaki Ninja 400 motorcycle. Let's talk engine, but not just any engine. We're talking about the largest, most capable engine in its class. At 399 cc's, this is an ideal setup for a wide range of riders. Smooth and easy to use power comes from a compact and lightweight engine design that features a modern downdraft style intake, similar to larger displacement Ninja models, that delivers an improved airflow for increased performance. And the result of this is some incredibly responsive power with every twist of the throttle. Having the largest displacement engine in its class definitely has its advantages. Power delivery is smooth throughout the entire RPM range, which is something that all riders will appreciate and enjoy. To help manage the power, there's an FCC clutch with assist and slipper functions for a light lever feel and smooth downshifts. The assist function produces a light clutch pull and a wide engagement range that offers more precise shifting while reducing fatigue. You're really going to appreciate this when you're constantly working the clutch in traffic or in any sort of stop-and-go situation around town. The slipper function helps reduce the effect of back torque to minimize rear wheel hop during downshifts. Ultimately, what this measures up to is smooth deceleration for a more confident overall riding experience. Finally, when it comes to braking, a large 310mm floating front disc brake supplies powerful braking performance. 399 cc's of easy to use yet exciting power. The Ninja 400 Sport Bike. I hope you're as excited about this machine as I am. Neil Bailey here with the Kawasaki Ninja 400 motorcycle. When it comes to the Ninja 400's nimble and agile handling, it all starts with the bike's lightweight and strong trellis frame. It's what keeps the bike feeling light and easily maneuverable in stop-and-go traffic, which is especially great for riding around the city. On open roads and freeways, the bike stays responsive and nimble at higher speeds. Inspired by its larger superbike counterparts, the Ninja 400 uses a modern chassis geometry that delivers responsive handling, great for rider confidence and, at the end of the day, a ton of fun to ride. The Ninja 400 suspension package is perfectly suited for comfortable street riding as well as sport riding on highways and canyons. It features progressive damping front and rear to deliver a high level of ride comfort at slower speeds and a firm, responsive feel at higher speeds for sporty riding on open roads. With a large diameter front fork, an outstanding front end feel helps with more effortless steering and adds to a confident riding experience. A modern chassis, a lightweight and strong frame, and a sporty suspension. All of these elements come together in the Ninja 400 Sport Bike for some impressive handling. Neil Bailey here with the Kawasaki Ninja 400 motorcycle. As far as first impressions go, it doesn't take much more than a quick glance to notice some serious Ninja styling. In fact, the Ninja 400 takes after its Supersport counterparts with aggressive bodywork featuring angular lines, sporty color and graphics, and a sharp, full-fairing design. Dual LED headlights give off a modern look while providing great functionality. Both headlights include low beam, high beam, and position lamps, and produce intense white LED lighting that shines brighter and farther and lasts longer than conventional halogen lighting. From the cockpit, you'll notice that the Ninja 400's dash instrumentation offers a high-tech image with a clear visibility to a wide range of useful functions, including a gear position indicator to keep you informed at all times. As sporty and aggressive as it looks, the Ninja 400 offers a lot of comfort at the same time. The ergonomics on this bike feature a relaxed riding position for an ideal balance of comfort and sportiness. Clip-on style handlebars are raised for improved comfort and fit, and a low seat height and narrow seat design make it easy to reach the ground at stops. One look is all it takes to know that the Ninja 400 sport bike is a standout in its class, but you need to ride it for yourself to fully experience all it has to offer.